All right, today we're going to do another canvas painting. So first off, we're going to start with some signal red right about here. Then we're going to do a little bit of cranberry. We're going to do a little bit of raspberry. A little bit of kind of pinkish, reddish colors right here. Maybe just a spice of yellow. Do some more red. Have a darker orange. A little bit lighter orange here. Signal yellow here. This is a light yellow. Add some more dark orange to the edge. Kind of get a nice little like fading type look. Now we got some white. This is like a cheap I think Walmart brand of white. What's nice about this is it's almost more transparent. It'll be nice to kind of create a nice little effect here. Take our light yellow. Brighten that up a little bit. There we go, I like that. We're going to try to create some buildings down here. So I don't know how well this is going to work on canvas. We're going to give it a try. We're going to try to use a palette knife instead. A putty knife, you can see the difference. So we'll cover all this and clear cut. Going to try to get it nice and wet. Now we're going to form some buildings here. It's kind of working. Interesting. Not too bad. I think we want to take this light yellow, actually just do something like that. Then we're going to add another round of buildings here. Keep on adding the buildings. Oh, knife isn't working super great. Let's see how this goes. A little bit better. All right, I'm liking that. Azure blue here. We got some light blue. And we got some white. Now, grab our clear coat, add a little more to it there. Now let's make some water here happen. Not bad. Now, we want to add a little bit of water running off to the top here. Cut a little piece out like this, grab a piece like this, then we're going to grab some white. We're going to kind of dab it. Then we're going to kind of just like sort of let the paint fall onto the canvas a little bit. Now you don't want to do too much of this. So I feel like it just overwhelms everything sometimes. Sometimes you get some cool like little effects going. You might want to add like a little bit sort of throughout the water if you feel like it, kind of like that. Kind of like the waves and whatnot are kind of splashing, giving off a little bit of something like that. So that looks good. Let's take our white, add some a little bit of fog to the horizon here. Maybe even like that. I just want to add a little bit of the Stark Blue just to the edges, kind of soften them up a little bit. Now, we're gonna make some birds. So we're gonna grab a little piece of poster board, and we're gonna grab some black here. Place some little birdies and our skyline. Maybe one more. Now I want to add some clouds. Let's add some kind of layers here to the fog. Yeah. Yeah, that looks nice. I kind of want to add a little bit more fog to this horizon here. It just doesn't pop quite enough for me. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's a lot better. I don't think this is dry. It is not. Something a little bit risky here. Kind of want to add a little bit more brightness down to these. Maybe just these few down here. There we go. Finish it off with some clear coat. All right, not bad, not bad.